Have you ever been captivated by a pair of striking blue almond-shaped eyes? If so, you've likely encountered the one and only Siamese cat. Today, we're diving deep into the world of this incredibly elegant and fascinating breed. The Siamese cat isn't just a pretty face. They're one of the oldest and most recognized cat breeds in the world. This gave the cats a revered status, living a life of luxury that most of us can only dream of. Commoners weren't even allowed to own them. The first documented appearance of Siamese cats outside of Asia was in 1878. The American consul in Bangkok gifted one to the U.S. President's wife, Lucy Hayes. This cat, aptly named Siam, became an instant celebrity at the White House. A few years later, in 1884, a British consul general brought a breeding pair back to England as a gift for his sister. These cats, named Fo and Mia, were exhibited at the Crystal Palace Cat Show in London, where their unique appearance caused quite a stir. Some people thought they were beautiful and exotic, while others called them an unnatural nightmare sort of cat. Love them or hate them, they definitely made an impression and kick-started their popularity in the Western world. Now, let's talk about that stunning look. The most defining feature of a Siamese cat is its color point coat. They are born completely white and develop their darker points on the ears, face, paws, and tail as they mature. This is due to a form of partial albinism caused by a temperature-sensitive enzyme. Blue point, a soft slate gray, and lilac point, a frosty pinkish gray. But a Siamese cat is so much more than just its looks. If you're looking for a quiet, aloof cat that will just sit on your windowsill all day, this is not the breed for you. They crave attention and want to be involved in everything you do. They'll follow you from room to room, help you with your work, and supervise your cooking. They are deeply affectionate and form strong bonds with their humans, often choosing one person as their absolute favorite. And then there's the voice. Oh, the voice. Siamese cats are famous or, perhaps infamous for, being extremely vocal. They have a loud, low-pitched meow, often compared to the sound of a human baby crying. And they are not shy about using it to communicate their every thought and desire. For people who love this trait, it's one of their most endearing qualities. When it comes to health, Siamese cats are generally a robust breed with a lifespan of 15 to 20 years, sometimes even longer. However, like all purebreds, they are prone to certain genetic conditions. While it's mostly been bred out, you might still see a slight crossing in some cats. They can also be susceptible to certain dental issues, so regular vet checkups and good dental hygiene are important. They can also be prone to some respiratory issues due to their wedge-shaped heads and certain types of heart disease. These are not independent cats. They are companion animals in the truest sense of the word. They thrive on interaction and can suffer from loneliness or separation anxiety if left alone for long periods. They are also great family pets. Their playful and energetic nature makes them a good match for older, respectful children who know how to interact with a cat. They generally get along well with other cats and cat-friendly dogs, especially if introduced properly. Their high intelligence and desire to please also make them relatively easy to train. In modern culture, the Siamese cat has left its mark everywhere. They've appeared in many other films and books, often depicted as elegant, mysterious, or clever characters, which perfectly suits their real-life personality. They demand your attention, but they give back so much more in love, entertainment, and companionship. Living with a Siamese is never dull. It's an interactive, vocal, and loving experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into our favorite animal friends. See you next time.